Here's what's fascinating. The cough is literally your body's cleanup crew. When your airways contain mucus and irritants and bacteria and viruses, all this gross stuff that our body's trying to get rid of, what do you think the smartest response of the body is actually going to be? It's get rid of it as fast as possible. And so the cough expels that. So think of it like this. If you were burning something on the stove and your fire alarm goes off, do you just turn off the smoke alarm, take the batteries out of the smoke detector, and just go about your business? No, of course not. One, you turn the burner off, stop the problem where it's at. But two, you open up a couple of windows and turn on a fan and get the house to air out, right? The same is true when our body is coughing. It's trying to expel that stuff in there.